pretty boy? What? Say hi. Where are you going? Huh? Are you going anywhere? Are you going to Pathfinder practice?
Oh yeah. He's laughing.
Huh?
Show his little feet.
Hi. Say hi. Do you talk, homie?
There's road rats.
Wow. Do something. You do any tricks?
I'm trying it right now.
Yeah? You don't do any tricks? Hmm? Did you find us a girlfriend yet? No?
Yeah.
Is it because you like boys? Whose foot is that?
My foot. Your best friend.
Oh no! Homegirl with the lip. Trying to get her in our video. You're slipping. Hold this.
Sure.
Keep it on, baby.
Sure.
Okay.
Hold it like this. Let me fix it.
Oh, stop!
Can I take a picture of him?
No, it's recording. We're making a video.
Can I come?
I'm trying to hold him.
What? Okay, what's your name?
Okay, Zariah.
King Zariah. What do you do for a living? Do you work?
Not yet.
Do you go to school?
Not yet. Here.
Does Kingston go to school?
Not yet. Not yet here. I got to school.
What's Kingston's other name?
KICCN, Jerome, SILAFAU. Lucy, SILAFAU.
What did you mean mugging for? Huh?
No.
You're getting mad? Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.